This video explains how to do the setting of interlock with the switch. First, create two Boolean variables. Open variables from tool chest and click all variables. Add row type variable and name it switch 3. Same way, add another row type variable and name it interlock. Open Content 1 content screen from the Project Explorer. Place a switch from tool chest, parts, go to Switch Properties under Operation Property. Set the type to bit. Set the operation to toggle. And bind the interlock variable to the destination. Change other properties. Copy and paste the previous switch and create another switch. Change the destination to switch 3 variable. Set the interlock setting. Go to Detail. And bind interlock variable to the interlock setting. By this setting, switch cannot be touched when the interlock variable is on. Change other properties. Create two lamps to monitor the switch 3 variable and interlock variable. A lamp from tool chest, parts. Go to lamp properties under basic setting. Bind interlock variable to the current value. Change other properties. Copy and paste the previous lamp and create another lamp. Change the current value to switch 3 variable. Change the text. Let's simulate and check the operation. When the interlock switch is off, you can control the switch, but when the interlock is on, you cannot operate the switch.